Weather Service in Tallahassee has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Coffee County in southeast Alabama. Until 1:45 p.m. at 12:33 p.m., the National Weather Service has detected a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from 14 miles north of Elba to 18 miles south of Elba, or along a line extending from Newby to Lowery and moving east at 25 miles per hour. Other locations in the warning include but are not limited to Brockton And Enterprise. This is a dangerous storm. If you are in its path, prepare immediately. People outside should move inside a strong building but away from windows.